Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, November 20th, 2013. U.S. stock market is closed. I'm going to smile today because I got one good trade. Anytime I have one good trade, it tells me Bob's system's still working. Bob's system's still making money, and we did make a tiny bit of money today. You know, yesterday was about as bad as it ever gets. I mean, we had 9 for 9 losers yesterday, and it was like we had a little bit of follow-through on that this morning. We got into a velocity shares yesterday, and it looked positive. You know, we had $500 or something on the close. Nothing about velocity shares looked funny. Hey, this morning the darn market opens in the toilet, and we started the day immediately almost $4,000 in the hole. I mean, that's rough after having 9 for 9 losers yesterday, and then we get socked with a $4,000 loss on the open. Oh, come on. I'm ready to throw in the towel. But anyway, my spirits are up because we got into one good trade, and I'm going to show you that when we look at the charts. Anyway, on balance, we lost. One market cost us $3,900 in closed out trades. We are carrying $5,190 in open trade equity. Dow Jones sank 66 points today. That's good. I want to see it do a little bit of correction here. But overall, we actually made a little money. So let's take a look at those charts. Okay, this is the Dow Jones Industrial Average today, and looked like it was going to try and rally this morning, and then it basically got worse and worse and kind of sold off toward the end of the market day. I think this is good. This is healthy. I think this thing was just getting too tired up here. It needs to come back a little, and this is setting us up for a good rally day. I don't know if it's going to happen tomorrow. It may not, you know, it could wait to Friday, but anyway, I'm glad to see the market come back a little, and we will, of course, spring back and make record highs in the Dow. That's an absolute certainty for this bull market. I'll show you a couple charts. I'll show you the really ugly one. I mean, I can't believe this. We have 9 for 9 losses yesterday. We buy this one, looks like a decent trade in velocity shares. We have a little profit on the close yesterday, and then look at this mess this morning. We get out right here. That cost us nearly $4,000. I'm glad to see velocity shares is out, and hopefully this horrible run that we had in the last couple of days is over with. But I want to show you why I am smiling. You know, I just love what is essentially an outlier trade, and that took place today in Clovis Oncology, and this market actually opened up negative this morning, and then it started to move, and it really pushed on this bar. We bought it right at the top of this bar. That was a little scary right at first. Man, this thing just kept going and going and going and going, and I think that is up. I mean, I think it's over 15%. That market is up. We are holding over $8,000. You heard me correct, $8,000 open trade equity in Clovis Oncology. So this was absolutely a great trade for us today, and that's really got my spirits up. I can forget about yesterday. Anyway, that's the way it went on Wednesday. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.